Achieving healthy and sustainable weight loss means avoiding crash dieting and instead committing to a patient, personalized plan focused on a slow, steady loss of 0.5 to 2 pounds per week. It is essential to consult with your doctor, especially if you have existing health conditions, to determine if weight loss is appropriate and to set realistic calorie goals based on your age, sex, and activity level. Since weight loss is a matter of burning more calories than you consume, you must aim to decrease daily caloric intake by 500 to 1,000 calories and or increase physical activity. You should also track your intake using an app and avoid setting calorie goals too low, which can be counterproductive. To ensure long-term success, your plan should incorporate flexibility, fit your budget, include physical activities you genuinely enjoy, targeting at least 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly, and ultimately, be a sustainable lifestyle change that includes both aerobic exercise and muscle development.